Hey y'all, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm sharing a quick and easy grilled jalapeno shrimp kebab recipe. I'm going to be using this one sauce for the shrimp kebabs as well as some salt and pepper. I've stacked them with some red onion, green pepper, and red pepper, and then I basted them and let them marinate in the sauce for a little bit, and then I threw them on the grill. For the fish that you see here, I'm also going to be using a chimchurri sauce, and that is all I use for that, as well as some salt and pepper. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. I hope you will give the recipe a try. Let's cook.